Hi, my name's Kevin Hodges. I'm a cardiac surgeon here in the Bloom Cardiovascular Institute at Northwestern Medicine. And I specialize in all sorts of valve surgery, but in particular, mitral valve repair and actually robotic mitral valve repair. So I'm standing outside the OR now, about ready to go in for a robotic mitral valve repair. This is a patient that came to us. He's a young guy who does a job that involves a lot of manual labor and a lot of physical activity. And so he sought us out specifically for robotic mitral valve repair so that he can have a faster recovery and get back to work and get back on his feet a lot faster. So we look forward to being able to offer that to this particular patient. But one of the really nice things about Northwestern Medicine is that it's not just robotics, it's that we can do a little bit of everything. And so, whether it's a case like this, that's a minimally invasive case, or a complex case that might even involve multiple heart valves, we really have the team and the structure and the expertise to be able to treat the whole spectrum of heart valve disease and to be able to help patients recover well and get back to their lives and get back to doing the things that they love. So happy to be here on HeartValveSurgery.com, and I really look forward to meeting everybody in the near future.